Selling Sunset is the global summer smash hit on Netflix, illustrating the appeal of the real estate industry the world over. It's big business, but while the sector has been impacted by COVID-19 here in Dubai, the market has and continues to have some unexpected results. The first half of 2020 saw transactions worth €16.3 billion. Over the initial 6 months of 2020, Dubai Marina saw the highest number of sales transactions worth €770 million. The average purchase price is €253,000 for an apartment and €550,000 for a villa. Women accounted for a substantial share of the number and value of investments, totalling €1.51 billion.
From 2012 to current day, anyone who's invested in Dubai has seen an annualised return of about 8.5% per annum. So in the Global Competitiveness Index, which is a way of ranking global cities and their attractiveness, Dubai has moved from 29th place to 6th place within the last few years.
There's also growth at every budget level, including some of the most expensive properties in the world.
Every aspect of this custom-made home was designed by the owner, from the automated appliances to the outdoor spaces and the soft furnishings made by some of the biggest brands in the world. This is one of the 3 outdoor spaces this property boasts that has views across the Palm and back to Dubai Marina. But it's not just multi-million euro luxury properties like this one that people are splashing out on in Dubai.
New community developments have been a big draw, with buyers flocking to places like this, Dubai's town square.
We wanted to give people the opportunity to buy a property at an affordable price so they could move from rental to owning, but at the same time the facilities had to be good. If they rent, the money's lost. If they own, when they retire or when they leave Dubai, they have an asset which they can sell.
There's a real shift in the number of first-time buyers in Dubai, those who've previously rented but now see it as the perfect time to get on the property ladder.
So you guys have been really busy, particularly over summer. That might be a surprise to some people. Why do you think it is?
I think it comes down to lockdown. We all spent 5-6 weeks stuck at home, looking at where we're living, reassessing, our space and all the rest of it. And I think there's a lot of people started thinking, what's out there? And when they started looking at what's out there, they saw some really good values in the market.
Despite COVID having an obvious impact on the third quarter of 2020, there are questions as to whether the industry has bottomed out.
In the next 6 to 8 months, I would say this is going to become a buyer and a renter's market. People are going to continue to buy their first homes here.
For many, COVID-19 has led to job or income losses and financial instability. But for those with cash reserves, they see now as an ideal time to buy.
My husband and I were looking at the house prices just as COVID happened, and we thought, actually, if we do this, our outgoings will go down by 40 to 50% every month.
Well, 2020 has been a difficult year for the global sector. In Dubai, analysts are keen to see the bounce from the upcoming expo for signs of further recovery.
My prediction is that we will start to see a gradual return to confidence in the market, much quicker than, when I say that, I really believe that come Q1, we will start to see a real confidence coming back into the real estate market.
And it's that confidence that investors and end users are banking on. The long-term impact of COVID-19 on the global economy remains unclear, but all eyes will be on the industry in the coming months.